Pitch pine wood, southern yellow pine. Southern yellow pine is a softwood species that is native to the southeastern United States. It is known for its strength, durability, and attractive grain. It is the heaviest of the commercial softwoods and has a distinctive, attractive grain that is usually uniform and consistent throughout. The sapwood of southern yellow pine is white to yellowish, even orange-white or pale yellow, while the heartwood is light yellow to red-brown and is resinous. The grain is straight and uneven with a medium texture, and there is contrast between early wood and late wood which can be seen in the growth rings. It finishes well and is suitable for a variety of applications, including skirting board, architrave, stair components, and mouldings. Material type softwood. Also called southern yellow pine, Florida yellow pine, Florida longleaf pine, Georgia yellow pine, pitch pine, heart pine, spruce pine, slash pine, yellow slash pine. Alright, let's talk about the properties of southern yellow pine. This wood boasts high crushing, stiffness, and bending strengths. It has medium resistance to shock loads. However, the resin content makes it unsuitable for steam bending. The wood works fairly well with either hand or machine tools. It has a tolerable blunting effect on cutting edges, but resin can clog cutters and saws. It planes, molds, drills, and turns fairly well. Additionally, it glues, screws, sands, and nails well. The wood also has satisfactory qualities for painting, varnishing, staining, and polishing. Moving on to color and appearance, the heartwood of southern yellow pine is reddish-brown, while the sapwood is yellowish-white. And finally, let's discuss grain and texture. Southern yellow pine is straight-grained with a medium texture. Alright, so let's talk about moisture content. Typically for southern yellow pine wood, you're looking at about 12 to 18% when kiln-dried, or KD. Workability. Overall, pitch pine works fairly well with most tools, though the resin can gum up tools and clog sandpaper. Pitch pine glues and finishes well. Pricing and availability. Pitch pine is sold and mixed interchangeably with other species as southern yellow pine, which is widely available as a construction lumber for a modest price. Typical uses: joinery, domestic flooring, railway sleepers, railroad ties, heavy construction bridges, mine timbers, decking boxes, crates, pallets, particle board, and pulp. Turpentine and resin are also produced from the wood. Thanks for watching.